Hey everybody, so if you aren't a Bitcoin maximist or leaning towards it or really aren't playing in the Bitcoin space, it's probably because of one of two reasons. Either, got my Bitcoin shirt on for this one, HODL. We got a great opportunity here today. That's why I want to bring this up with the Black Sale Friday. Bitcoin just dumped to like $54,000. It doesn't scare me, it excites me because I can buy more at a cheaper price. But listen, if you're not into Bitcoin, it's for one of two reasons. You're scared of it, you don't understand it, and I've got a solution for you. Or you just don't really understand how powerful it is, and you're just chasing gains with Shibu and Doge and those type of coins. Either way, both of you are missing an opportunity. An opportunity that will never exist in our lifetime again. And I'm not saying you can't touch those other things, but you got to understand Bitcoin to a much higher degree. It's so important right now. What I'm thinking about, and I can't help it, I'm obsessing over it, is the opportunity cost, right? I think Bitcoin between 2025 and 2030 will be $1 million a coin. If that's true, we're at a 15 to 20 time X from where we're at right now. So I'm even thinking about if I go to dinner, it's $100 dinner. Right now, future wise, I could have put that into Bitcoin. Would I pay $2,000 for that dinner? No, but in essence, I just did because I had disposable income that I could have injected into that. So am I going to live a boring life with no dinners out and different stuff? Maybe for a little while. So I don't live like anybody else today, is the old saying, right? So I don't have to live like anybody else tomorrow. So I'm really thinking about these opportunity costs. If I was young and single, man, didn't have a responsibility of a family, I definitely probably would sell everything and be living in a tent or in my car and showering at the gym or something. But if you know nothing about it, what I want you to do, this is where I want you to start. This will take several hours over a weekend that you could do this. It's as simple as this. I'm going to refer you to somebody else's channel. I just think these were incredible interviews. But just type in YouTube Impact Theory Bitcoin. This is what's going to pop up. I want you to watch this one right here with Robert. I want you to watch this one right here with Raoul. I want you to watch this with Michael Saylor. And then I want you to watch Pomp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Watch these 4 interviews. And if you're still not convinced, then move on. But if you watch them, you're going to thank me. I promise. Stop what you're doing if you don't understand Bitcoin. Watch these 4 interviews. It should change your life. Don't say I didn't tell you.